G'day guys, Matt here, and this is a review and building of the LEGO set 60007, the High Speed Chase LEGO set. It comes with a motorcycle, a patrol vehicle and a sports car. Really got it for about $40 from a local toy shop. This one is specifically for the Wii U's Lego City game, Lego City Undercover, which is a very good game, I might point out, besides the control for the Wii U, but the actual game itself is great, because it's like a kid's version of GTA Grand Theft Auto games, because it's a big city. You can, once you do a certain amount of missions, you can actually unlock it, and you can explore the city, you can build stuff. This comes with a sort of a code, which the code is on the back here of the vehicle. Then you which unlocks these vehicles and some secret missions, it seems. Also, as it ties the Wii U, the TT Games, and Nintendo 7 JPEG, whatever it is. So we got like a motorbike guy, ball lugs, some chasing spike strips, and handcuffs. I got this set probably when the game was first pretty much out, and never opened it. So let's open it up. This is probably my 5th box in, I presume so, because I've done the other 2 and actually uploading one and getting one made at the moment. So I'm here going to get some more gear, and like I said, I'm interested in getting the I was interested in the plane. I quickly saw a review on it, and it wasn't seen to be what I thought it would be, so I decided to might give the big chopper heli plane instead. Right, so you get a bunch of stickers. Once again, I'm not going to be doing the stickers because I don't really like doing that. I do like it, but I don't really focus. And you get 3 booklets, 1 per vehicle and sort of minifig. So you get 3 bags. First one is the motorbike. And if you've been watching my videos, I tend to do these at normal speed. I don't speed build them because you hardly see these. But it's also good to get these done. Sort of see how they build up in normal speed and sort of fastly, and at the same time I can review them and all that. Since there's no really small bag at the moment, I'm just going to be putting on spare bits in the main bag it came in until I see something different. Alright, also remember to not mix the bags and all that, and don't put them in the carpet or the grass. Yeah, so this one doesn't really have the little bag that comes with it, but it looks like it's all mostly small pieces. This is the motorbike anyway. And there you go, there's one of the officers. What I'll do is, after this, if I do this quickly enough, I'll show you some gameplay of the actual game and show you how the code works. I don't know if you saw the code, but about the time when this video comes out, I'll be using the code. But I don't think it needs online activation really. See how we go anyway. So for this one you need the two stripes, red, yellow and black stripes on the bollard. So that's that done. Apparently there's a motorbike. Oh, and I think this is the outer shell. I think. I'll see what happens anyway. Never built a bike before, so we'll see what happens. I was right, it was the inside, or the white thing is the outer shell. So I guess it slides in. So yeah, it clips in there. Can't really lean with this bike because of the size there. Because of those, but I think you can rotate them. Ish, no? Yeah, sort of. But can't really do anything. They're a little. Okay, so those are your peg legs basically. Yellow triangle, make sure it's vertically upwards I guess, and blue ones on the side. Go put the police sticker on the front there, but I'm not going to worry about that. Then grab Matt, puts that, then put the word police sticker on there, down the side of the bike, same but the opposite way. Then a free bit on top of there. Then a thing for radio aerial. Red light triangle thingy. Pair of handcuffs. And a two-way walkie-talkie. A bollard with a thing, and that's pretty much done the bike. So it leaves you with like a few lights and little bits and pieces and cups. That's another set. It just gives you advertisement on the back, different Lego sets. So that's pretty much one. Just gonna put that all on the bag because I don't want it blown away. Two is the actual copter. This time you get an actual bag. So this is where the little parts will actually go in. that there for now. Right. Now this is probably Chase. Yeah, Chase. That's it. This is the main character of the game. And if you actually get the I think it's the DS or 3DS version, you get to see how he became famous. Funny thing is, they make the game on the Wii U. He comes back from some trip or whatever, and you know, he has to deal with a lot of crap, as well as catches the main villain, which he arrested. I will be saying stuff like spoilers and all that, so sorry about that. I won't say too much. Technically the game's been out for like a year or so. I'll see how I go for conversation wise. As far as I know, I haven't really finished it myself actually, which I should really get back into it. Wow, these are really big tires. Might quickly do these up first. A flat one. Oh, oops. Oh, okay, so basically there's a white tile which has the actual code. For once they stick it they stick it they have the sticker already on there. So that's the code, which is, well, I'm not going to tell you guys, but like I said, I'm going to show you it later. So we're getting the base of the vehicle now. And then this is the front part. It has its lights. Surprised it doesn't have a number plate thing. Apparently that goes on the thing there, so that's that. Pretty long blue bits. Underneath, and some more of those. Some bull bar at the front. There's a part of a train and an actual bull bar. That. Put the round. Must be some sort of back, yeah, looks like it. Some back part there. It's in there nicely. So these have the police with the badge. With ramp pins on each side. Blue studs. steering wheel, some lever to change gears. Technically put this before the bits around it. And of course the cops love their copy. It's a copy! No, it's coffee. Surprised it didn't come with a donut. Two of these on the back. Two windows. Have the roof, roof bonnet, which has the police logo. Oh, I like the windscreen. Hopefully there'll be a proper roof because there's a bit of a gap there. Oh yeah, the white one, and on top, that's the blue bars across. Goes from there. Oh, it's got a trunk or a boot. And you put your cups in there, walkie-talkie, so you get spare cups and a gear and a light. So technically it looks like you get 4 cups instead of 1, which is a good sign, I guess. Gotta rest the bastard somehow. Put that in the boot, shut the boot, and you put the tyres on. Somehow it has the, supposed to have the Lego's copyright logo stuff with the rim, not the sporty rim, but the that part like that. I got it on that one. Oh, actually it doesn't look like both the same size. On the tyre it's the same side, which is good because then you don't have to flip it around. Come on. After that's it for that one. And it just tells you about the code which unlocks cool vehicles and secret missions in Wii U game on legocity.com/cityundercover. Oh yeah, so you enter it on your Wii U game, which unlocks the levels and vehicles. And I'll show that at the end of the video. let's get this last bag done, shall we? Bag three. Ooh, gold bar. Ooh, that's good. Gotta put that down. $100. When $100. And $100. Right, and also a little cap. There you go, and there's the rubber. It's just gonna put in there. You stay, and no pat. Alright, so you grab the base of it, flip it upside down, 2 squares. Flip it back. Another square and a so we're getting there into stud blocks. I reckon these will probably be the brake lights, even it doesn't tell you to put the lights on just yet. And then the steering wheel and seat, no coffee mug. Guess the rubbers can't afford coffee. They could have stole it. Just quickly do up the tires now. And pretty much the same at the front. I'm surprised you slowly build it up to the back like that. Like I said, I'm surprised it doesn't have the lights to say, oh, you might as well put the lights on now. Also, I'd like to mention if there's any Lego City sets that are reasonable priced and or you like to see, please let me know. I'll try and do my goal is to try and get a set done sort of like once a month or every time I go down to my city. It depends on my, sort of the way things go. Like that. Two orange ones. Is that orange? Yeah. Yeah, two flat ones. Sort of a sports car look right there, that's pretty neat. And on the back, sort of similar. Two of those. And you put a number plate on the back there. Excuse me. And then a flat piece on the bottom there. Add the lights. And two studs on each side. And that goes on the back there. Sorry. A little bit of a hand cramp. $100 there. You add like a sticker for the hood here, put it at the very front. Now that's all pretty much secured the back and the front because it was not really that secured. And these long skinny bits here. Windscreen out the front. Turn it around to face it that way. One like that and that. Pretty much at the back there. Pretty much at the back there. Get in there. And you two. Now two clipping ones at the back. I wish they said this before. Okay, so this is a small design for the motor. So I guess the engine will be at the back. Oh, it's just something about the wind reduction. So this is the wing. It's just basically two pieces. Remember, that's how you do a wing, kids. Clip that on the back there. Sort of a good angle. You have these skirt bits, so these are your side skirts. So this is sort of a sports car, really. Oh yeah, and the other side. I was going to say, why is it not showing the other side? And then the tyres, and that's pretty much it. There you go, there's your sports car. Oh yeah, you can't. Basically I just had it like that and dead. But yeah, it looks pretty neat. So basically, you know, you got a sort of a chase scene, you know, looks pretty good. I did the front lights wrong. Oh no, they're right, it just looks odd. Okay, come on. So yeah, so that's it for the vehicles and all that. Now, you got a few bits pieces here. Lights mostly. So you get a general amount of spare parts. Now it's the spike strip. You just clip it one after the other. Doesn't say how many you need to add, but I guess it's general all on. Yeah, because it looks like it's just, at the moment it's just barely covering her, and as far as I know in normal police chases they usually try and make it sort of twice as long than the average car length. I think the average car length is just under 3 meters, so they need to do it almost 6 meters. So yeah, so that's the spike strip. So you know, they roll out like that. So it's going down the road. Alright, so if I just flicks it out like that. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, so should be enough room to really put the blocks money in there. You got like free $100 bills, a gold bar. Yeah, actually, you should technically put the spark strip in the boot of the patrol car, yeah. But it doesn't look like it, even if you take out the little pieces like that. See, it's not roomy enough to put it in there. So that's one thing I'm a little disappointed with this set, is they don't really have a storage place for this. You know, oh, wait. No, you can't. Yeah, because technically you can't really carry it on the bike. So you could have like chasing here with the car and the bike down the road. Guy could set up his car going like this, around. Gets out the spike strips, roll it out. And it doesn't, it kind of, I know you're not really so surprised, but it doesn't look like it really drives over her, because I know these are supposed to be spikes. They're not that sharp. How are they supposed to puncture a tyre? But yeah, the good thing is you can sort of make this a second use as a little ring. If you had a sort of a biggish finger. You are now spiked it. Oh! Sorry, I just had to say it. But that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to switch over and load up the game and give that a go, and yeah. I also want to see how the cuffs work. I remember there used to be a flexible cuff or chain sort of thing. Alright, so we'll go on to the game and we'll have a look at what can you do. I might do this in a two-parter, because the way it looks like it, I've done about 45 minutes.